Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you if your ads in tab is not showing in the ribbon in Excel, so then how you can bring back to the ribbon. In my case here you can see that I have no ads in tab in the ribbon. So to enable that you need to click on the file and on the bottom you need to click on more and click on options. Under the Excel option, you need to click on the Customize ribbon. And on the right side, in the Customize the ribbon, you need to drop down this arrow and select the main tabs. And now scroll down and look in if your add-in checkbox is either checked or not. If it is not checked, then you need to check in and click OK to apply. And here now you can see that ads in tab is back on the ribbon. So in this way you can easily manage tabs in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.